Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Wistia video management for marketing edits and analytics, full guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing Wistia for video management, navigate to the Wistia website. Log into your Wistia account with your credentials. Once logged in, locate the settings section in the left-hand menu. Click on API to access the API settings for your account. Here, you'll find your API key. Copy your API key to your clipboard for later use. Next, open your marketing tool or platform where you want to integrate Wistia. In your marketing tool, locate the Settings or Integrations section. Look for an option to connect with Wistia or add an API key. Paste the copied API key into the designated field. Ensure you save your changes to store the API key securely. Now, return to your Wistia account. Choose a video that you want to manage or analyze. Click on the video to access its individual settings. Here, you'll find options to edit metadata, add calls to action, and adjust settings. Make the necessary edits based on your marketing needs. For analytics, navigate to the Analytics section in Wistia. Here, you can view video performance metrics such as plays, engagement, and drop-off rates. Adjust your video strategy based on these analytics. Consider setting up automatic reports for ongoing insights. Integrate this data into your overall marketing strategy for improved results. Regularly check back for new features and updates from Wistia. This will ensure you're maximizing your use of the platform. Following these steps will help you effectively manage and analyze your video content. You're now ready to enhance your marketing efforts with Wistia. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.